Police in Boone County tonight are asking for your help to find a man missing for more than 5 months. According to our partners at the Lebanon Reporter, 33-year-old Matthew Venus was last seen in November after walking away from a halfway house. He was supposed to meet up with a close family friend, but he never showed up. Multiple departments worked together searching more than 25 acres of woods for this father of 3, but they never found him. If you've seen him, call the Boone County Sheriff's Department.